Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a sunny day. And this weekend, talking about sun, it was gorgeous. What a perfect weekend to test some new sunglasses out and really got to get a feel for how they look, how they feel on me, and overall, most importantly, what's the vision like. And I'll share that with you in this video. Do click on the link in the description where you can get more information on these Aviator style sunglasses. You could read other reviews, you could see other photos, and of course you can order them, and there's different lens options. So first of all, it comes with a nice hard case there, company called Wheelock. So nice job there with the case. Also has a softer case which you can use to clean your lenses with, and then the lens cleaning cloth. Lastly, or a couple other things, it has a card here so you can see if they are polarized and verify that, and they are polarized lens. And then you have these options for these nose pieces, these black nose pieces that you can easily change out. They do come with these clear nose pieces, so you can easily just pull one out. It's got this little piece where it sits, and then you can easily just put this replacement piece. Oh, got another one. The other one just fell. And there you go. So now it's in there, so you can either wear it like that, or you can decide if you want to go with the all clear ones or the black ones. But as far as the pieces that here on the frame, they sit well over the ears, so you can see it goes straight back. So comfortable there. They don't have that flexibility like some other lenses have, so keep that in mind as well. I did notice the screw seems to have come loose, but surprised already on the new pair of glasses, but that will happen over time. And again, these are like an Aviator style sunglasses. I would say I'm not really a huge fan how they look on me. I asked some other people what they thought. They felt they look kind of big. Someone asked how with the quality like. I think the quality is not bad. They are a metal frame, and they also seem a little heavy on my face. So I do like a lighter frame sunglasses, so these will have a little bit more weight to them. And this, by the way, these pieces that sit over your ear, it's a harder plastic as well, so keep that in mind. And lastly, on the sunglasses, the nose pieces are adjustable. I do like the green. It is a very dark, these green really pops. But it also has a kind of a blue tint depending upon the angle you have the sunglasses. So you'll notice that as well. Some of the features as far as the sunglasses, they're a metal frame as I shared with you. They're a TAC lens. Polarized, the lens width is 55 millimeters. The lens height is 48 millimeters. Bridge 11 millimeters. Arm is 145 millimeters. It's a sturdy bonnets, metal frame with bonnets temples. The lenses are a UV 400 lens, protective lens that can block 100% harmful UVA, UVB rays to protect your eyes. The TAC lens is high-grade plastic lenses that are polarized to eliminate glare, reduce eye fatigue, and scratch-resistant durability. And I really liked the lenses. I felt they really had a nice pop to them. It was so nice this weekend, and I could just, the clarity was really great on the lenses. I felt there was somewhat like of a purple tint, but I still really had like the glare. It just made everything pop very nice. They are a classical Aviator style sunglasses. There's a skin-friendly nose pads, environmentally and skin-friendly, soft and comfortable wearing, and there is a 90-day money-back guarantee, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So all in all, I like when I wore them and the vision of the sunglasses. Not a fan of how they look, and again, they feel a little bit heavy on my face, but they might fit you well. So do yourself a favor, click on the link in the description, read those reviews, see the comments, other photos, and you can decide what color lens as well would be for you. So I appreciate your time. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your sunglasses. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.